To a new video of Legit Finance. So in this video we are going to learn how to make a trade. Okay, so steps for making a trade. Some people take trade on the just basis of their feelings, so that is just a gambling. Just it is called as a gambling, not a trading. A trade a trade includes several things that are to be kept in mind before executing a trade. So in this video we are going to learn about that steps. So this video will benefit you in terms if you want to take a trade, and if you want to take a trade then you must have these steps which I will be talking about later in the videos, that will help you making a best or a better trade. So in number first step to make a trade is, what is your edge? Means what is your setup, what is your edge? So you need to identify your edge. Number second, you have to make, number first is identify your edge. Okay, I will be writing down it so you can note it if you want to make notes. Identify your edge. Like some people have an edge of just shorting and buying on resistances and support. It is called basically support and resistance trading. So there are various edges, you can take them from my channel, and there are other channels also that will give you an edge and you can trade on that edge, or you can make your own edge. So number first is identify your edge. For example, let's say I have an edge of shorting at resistances. So if I have a edge short at that is made entirely on shorting on resistances, means if this is a supply zone, this is a resistance, so my edge is to, when the market will come at this resistance, I will short on this. Okay, if I found a candle confirmation. So first is identify your edge. Number second, make your trade plan. Make your trade plan. Okay, so trade plan consists of very most vast things. So I have told in many videos how to make a trade plan, so you can check my videos, previous videos. So trade plan. Okay, so trade plan in short, it consists of how you plan a trade. Like if you plan to short on resistance, at what time, at what condition, at what condition, at what price, and at what you will exit. So these things make up a trading plan. So we have a trading plan. Number third, we have a trigger point. Number third, we have a trigger point. Means where your trade is going to be trigger. Means where your trade is going to be trigger. Okay, means आपकी means where your trade should be triggered. Like I have this resistance, and in this resistance, when the market will come, like here, I will start analyzing the market. I will start, because this my trigger point, means I am triggered for my trade, means my trade is gonna to come. So I will start some analyzing present situations from this level and from this trigger point. Okay, and then we have risk management. Risk management generally comes in the trading plan, but I am talking about it because it is a very important topic. So risk management is how you manage your risk. Money management, I have made a video on this risk management. So our next step is our next step is risk management. Okay, how to manage a risk. So if you will do the risk management, you will be profitable, because generally the most successful traders talk about risk management a lot. They don't talk about edge, they don't talk about trade plan, they talk about this risk management, because this is the main topic. So that's why I am keeping it in yellow color, because it is most important, it is the most important thing. And then we have the execution. Means we have to execute the trade. We have our risk management, we have our trade plan, we have our edge, we have our trigger point, and then we have to execute a trade. So in this execution step is also a vast, like our risk management. Like our risk management, it is a very vast concept. I have uh, told it in many videos that execution is a vast concept, and I've explained it going very deep to this topic. So you can watch my previous videos for this execution process. So this execution process is mainly consist of, this is the most difficult part. Risk management and the execution are the most difficult part of trading, because in execution we have our psychology include, which is the one of the very important factors. Our psychology is involved, means your brain, your emotions, your feelings like fear, greed, confidence, overconfidence. These all are involved in the process of execution. So execution should be strong. Execution and risk management. So these things make up a trade. So some people take trade just based off their feelings, means if they feel that this is a resistance, they are going to short on this resistance. But why they are on the short? What is their setup? Today they will be trading support and resistance, tomorrow they will be trading chart patterns, and the next day they will be trading some other thing, some other edge. So you need to have at least two edges, or you can say one edge. On the base you can trade it. Trade plan mainly not helps, it just not helps you in making up a trade. It helps you to analyze your mistake, because if after 1 week you are going to see where was your trade on this day or that day, you will find it here in your trade plan, also called as trading general. So trading general भी trade plan में ही आता है. Trading general means आपको you have to note where you got in, where you got out. So I have made some separate video on this topic. And then we have the most important part, trigger and risk management. Trigger point is where you see the charts, you analyze the present situation, means what is the present situation, is your level still valid. So next we have a risk management. Manage your risk. What is going to be my SL, what is going to my target, what is going to my entry point. And then we have the last topic and the main most important topic, execution, in which psychology is included, emotions are included, all the brain things are included. So I hope you learned how to make a trade and what are the steps to make a trade. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like, share and do subscribe the channel.